Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's another good to go back review with Benidorm Crazy Marcus. So it's a Sunday, we've just had a beautiful Sunday lunch thanks to Scooter Sue. Even though it is quite hot, isn't it guys?
It is, Marcus.
Good to go bags today are from Gelateria Stromboli, Gelato Fratto Arte. Bit of a weird name for a shop, but should be interesting.
Where are they, Marcus? Tell them everybody where they are.
Basically, it's the little ice cream shop next to the beach shop down on Avenida Mediterraneo. Basically, you got like Don Dino one side of the road, then like cafes the other side. Like as you're coming up that side road off the front.
They're just over from Don Dino, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much over from Don Dino. So not sure what to expect, to be honest, but let's have a look. Fans on in the background cooling us off. I'm reaching into the bag of goodies. I feel something weird. It's a tub of ice cream. I don't know what flavour. Like it's been wrapped.
There it is.
It's been wrapped up as well, like in cling film, which I mean, bit random.
Know what it is yet?
I think it's chocolate, mint, and vanilla. If you can see that, guys, it's a bit melted as well. It's proper melted as well, which is a bit melt really, but still, maybe, I don't know. Don't stop peeking. Stop.
Get these back in the freezer.
I don't know, maybe, yeah. We've got another one which is looking like it's a purple and lemon ice cream, so like maybe some berry flavour. Put them back into the freezer maybe, so that they're nice and not cold, because they are not, don't melted and not sticky.
Yeah, what's that one? Vanilla, lemon.
I don't know what that one is. It's like purple and yellow. Have a whiff. Go on.
I think each can have a taste before they go back in the
Yeah,
freezer.
each have a taste.
Oh, I can have a taste. Okay then.
I'll try a bit of the chocolate one first. This one first. Oh yeah, that is chocolate chip. I'll try a bit of a green one.
Could be pistachio and maybe a bit of vanilla in the middle.
Oh, that is nice. I'll try the purple one, I'll be brave. It smells funny. I don't know what flavour it could be. I mean, Benidorm's known for its weird flavours. What's the green yam? Wasabi.
No, pistachio, I think.
I don't know what this purple one is, but like...
Just be brave, Mark, and digging. Mark, enjoy that one.
Yeah. 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 No way, goes like...
Oh, that is gorgeous. That's like a sorbet.
That is foil. I'll try some more chocolate.
You're on the camera tonight. I can get a bit of that yellow one as well.
I love that chocolate and that.
There we go. Melting fast, guys.
Come on, let's get them covered.
That
Yeah.
chocolate one's nice.
Stick them back in the freezer for a bit, so.
Sorry about that, guys. That purple one were
Nice.
like a sorbet, but not my cup of tea.
What else we got, son?
Yeah, I've got a lot. My hands are sticky, so that I'm trying not to ruin my gimbal. Right, what else have we got? Some in foil. What do you think it is, guys? Let's see.
My bet's a pancake.
It's a waffle. Like one of the Goffreys.
Waffle?
Yeah, like a waffle type thing.
What's on about? Any good?
Because you rip a bit off. Typical. What do you think, Mike?
Not bad.
I'm not into these, so I'll pass it to Sue. See what she thinks. Just one in there, or two, or what?
That's it. What are they?
One.
Just the one. Yeah.
One.
What you think, Sue? Nice. Oh, my hands are all sticky after that blooming ice cream. Anyway, before I forget, the one bag were €5, was it?
No.
How much then? €2, €3?
$3.99.
$3.99 for one bag. Then the other, we got offered it for $2.99, so bargain.
Yeah, I like going to it, mate.
What?
Yeah, sorry. Now I've got to dry them off. Next up, we've got a little chocolate bar, little Jositos chocolate bar, very nice.
Sorry, this is the weirdest.
We've got a Kit Kat chunky.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We've got a Kinder Bueno.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh no.
No, I thought that was like a holiday thing you could win. I don't know, maybe it is. We've got another Kinder Bueno.
Nice bit of chocolate in there.
Good selection. We've got a can of Sprite. This is one really good to go back. And another can of Sprite.
So
Right,
2 cans of
Next
Sprite.
one, this one's slightly smaller. I think the other ice cream we did get were out of this one.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. 2 more Kinder Buenos.
Yeah, there was an ice cream in each bag.
Yeah, there was an ice cream in each bag apparently.
That's now a trouble, I should imagine.
Probably, but she did say there was ice
Another
cream.
can of Sprite. Another can of Sprite.
They can be up there, 80 cents each.
If you like Sprite, perfect. Would have thought maybe they'd have put a mixture of drinks in, but and what I imagine could be another waffle. Yep, it's another pretty decently sized waffle.
Just waffle on about it.
So, sort of same in each bag. Really, you get a tub of ice cream, a waffle. Well, no, tell the lie, you get a tub of mixed ice cream, so mixed flavours. And well, if you know Benidorm, it is one of the best places to go for like the weird flavours of ice cream. I mean, we've got like Bailey's, coffee, think like vanilla cheesecake, stuff like that, just tons of flavours. Anyway, so yeah, you get a tub of ice cream, a waffle, some chocolate bars, and a couple cans of Sprite. And well, I think it's an alright bag, to be fair, if you were maybe on your own having a bit of a picnic or something. Pretty decent, good to go bag.
Well, you're probably looking at €3 very easily in the chocolate.
Yeah, I don't even know if I like Kinder Bueno, but
The waffles are probably, and your pop and your ice cream, I reckon value for money.
yeah, value for money, well worth it. They don't appear to be.
It's surprised with the weather.
I'll try my Kinder Bueno. Then the rest of the stuff will go in the fridge. Kind of is a bit melted, right, but so.
Yeah? Marcus like it. I like the way they've got labels on the bags, so the labels so you know where you got them from. It's a great idea if you were maybe going down onto the beach. You know, you got a nice little picnic to go and sit on the beach, a couple of cans of pop, waffles, some chocolate, some ice cream. Marcus stuffing his face quietly over there.
You never know what you're going to get in a good to-go bag.
So that's an improvement.
So, I'd say 10 out of 10. Well worth the money, to be fair, for what you got. But maybe the ice cream isn't really the best option. I mean, I don't know, maybe they are deciding to just go find somewhere quiet to sit and eat it. But I mean, we've got it about 5. So rush back, put the ice cream in the freezer. So yeah. And it does say as well, you could have got milkshakes in it, which I was looking forward to actually. I really wanted a milkshake.
Well,
And there were no bloody milkshake in it.
Oi.
I'm upset. I cannot take you seriously looking like that.
Yeah, I think it was pretty good for a good to-go bag. You never know what you're going to get in them. 10 out of 10 from me.
So,
I think it's great value for money. I think for a good to go bag it was different. Great value for money as well. I couldn't see any difference between the bags. I know one was a little bit cheaper, but I don't think it was really that different. I just think that because I'd had one bag, they offered me a second slightly cheaper. So, which is a good idea because, you know, it encourages you to take another bag and helps get rid of the waste. So overall, I think a 10 out of 10 for me as well.
So there you have it, guys. 3 10 out of 10s. Let me know if you have been to Gelateria Stromboli. Let me know your weirdest ice cream flavour that you've ever had as well. And I'll see you next time. Adios.